Welcome to the installation video for our PSB 359F. Here we have the original bushing which has been pressed out alongside the new PSB polyurethane bushings with their sleeve. Before placing the new polyurethane bushings into the housing, make sure you clean it out thoroughly. You can then either lubricate the outside of the bushing or otherwise the inside of the housing before installing. You can then just pop the bushings in using a rubber mallet. Then lubricate the inner part of the bushing before installing the metal sleeve. You can do this, as you see here, by using a bench vise. And there you have our fully installed PSB 359F. Thanks for checking out our PSB installation video. We'll regularly be sharing these simple videos showcasing the different parts we have available. Please subscribe to our channel if you'd like to see a bit more. Otherwise, like or just drop us a comment. And if you want to purchase any of the parts you have seen, our online store for both Europe and North America are in the description below. Thanks again for watching.